Today, we explore short gut syndrome and high-output ostomy through a 55-year-old patient's journey. He survived severe bowel ischemia and intra-abdominal abscess. After multiple emergency surgeries, this patient was left with a significantly shortened bowel and a challenging high-output ostomy. What does high-output mean? Clinically, it's defined as more than 1,500 to 2,000 milliliters of output per day from an ostomy. Patient's ostomy produced over 2.5 liters daily of watery, bile-stained fluid, draining his body faster than we could replenish it. These massive fluid and electrolyte losses quickly led to three major problems: severe dehydration, acute kidney injury, and metabolic acidosis. Post-surgery, he was nauseated, weak, and visibly dry. Labs confirmed the crisis. Serum CO2 plummeted to 10, a critical sign of severe metabolic acidosis. This occurs easily in short gut syndrome. With less bowel surface and rapid transit, the body loses not just water, but bicarbonate-rich intestinal fluid. This rapidly lowers blood pH, leading to life-threatening acidosis if uncorrected. He also suffered acute kidney injury due to volume loss. Here's how we managed it. We immediately started lactated ringers as the primary IV fluid. Why LR? Because lactate converts to bicarbonate in the body, directly replacing what was lost through the ostomy. It rehydrates and corrects acidosis simultaneously. Sodium bicarb IV push was also given. To slow the output, we introduced cholestyramine, a bile acid sequestrant. This helps reduce irritation and diarrhea. If needed, tincture of opium was ordered to slow intestinal motility, allowing more time for fluid and nutrient absorption. Throughout, we monitored him closely. Strict intake output, daily weights, frequent electrolytes, renal function, and trending serum CO2. In these patients, conditions can deteriorate rapidly, hour by hour. Therefore, swift and precise adjustments were absolutely essential. Thanks to quick recognition and targeted interventions, patient's kidneys recovered, his acidosis resolved, and he stabilized. This case highlights the critical importance of understanding short gut syndrome and high-output ostomies for optimal patient outcomes. Thank you for watching and for supporting my channel.